Notary and loan signing agent supplies. Let's be honest. You take the test, you pass the test, you become a loan signing agent or a notary, whatever the case you be, and then you're like, okay, now what do I do? What supplies do I need? Every small business needs supplies. You don't want to show up empty-handed and embarrass yourself, look like a fool. A lot of the videos we see are just, I don't know, the people doing reviews of products that they want you to buy. I'm going to get straight to the point and tell you the supplies that the National Notary Association says you should have. Probably the top 10, I'll say. This is unedited. This is raw. So it'll be 9, 10, or 11. The ones they say you need and the ones I know you need from experience. Now, the first thing you're going to need for your business is the stamp. You got to have a notary stamp, right? Did you know that? You got to have a notary stamp. You could buy that on Amazon. They show you the ways to how your stamp is supposed to be set up. I'm not going into that, but you got to have a notary stamp. In many states, you absolutely have to have what, number two, a notary journal. In California, I know you need one. I looked up some information for North Carolina. It doesn't say it's mandatory in North Carolina, but it's good to have some type of journal, right? To keep a record of everything. All right, your customers, your clients, what the transaction was like. But in my state, you have to have a notary journal. So that's two things. Number three, your notary certificates and forms. These forms are for your acknowledgments. Know what the acknowledgement is for your test, and for your jurats. Know what that is too. But the bottom line is you need the forms, right? That's number three. This is what I should have said first. Number four, your notary handbook. Even though you use the notary handbook, hopefully to pass the test on the first try, I would have that notary handbook just to keep apprised on the rules and the laws. All right. Be an expert in your field. The book is very thin. So, hey, be an expert, know those rules inside and out so you don't ever get burned. All right. Then there's also notary books. Some of the notary books are the books that teach you how to make bank in your industry, teach you the marketing, teach you what to do, the do's and don'ts. I know I have one called Sign and Thrive, a book called Sign and Thrive. All right. I'll put it in the link because I don't have it memorized who the book is by, but it was a good book. All right. Now there's some electronic products you're going to need. Don't forget, I said your stamp, right? Yeah, the stamp. I would definitely have a laptop to run the business, especially if you're going to do any e-notary work. All right, definitely have a laptop. Let's see, what else did I see? Have a carrying case, some type of carrying case. I don't care if it's cute. I don't care if it's pretty. I don't care if it's ugly. You want to be a professional, but have a case for all your supplies and your laptop and everything. So when you get there, you just open that up and it's ready to go. It's kind of like having a computer bag, but it's going to have all your notary stuff inside. All right. I lost count, but those are the main things: your stamp, your journal, your certificates. Here's another one that they say on the NNA site. Your thumbprint. Some states you're going to need a thumbprint, and then you put the thumbprint in the journal. The thumbprint of the client, thumbprint in the journal. Okay? So some states will require that. So make sure you have that if your state requires it. Did I miss anything else? And I would just have a little marketing stuff for yourself too. You know what I mean? Maybe a cup or a mug, or definitely need business cards, different things like that. All right. I went over the list. Two things: action plan, get your items, subscribe so your boy's channel grows. Buy a boy a cup of coffee is in the description. Makes my whole family excited.